Ditch the car dealership drama. Find your dream ride at CarTech Plus. Tired of endless scrolling on your phone and then pushy salesmen? Forget the online car circus, folks. In Plaistow, NH, there's a car oasis called CarTech Plus, where finding your perfect ride is a party, not a chore. We're not just car dealers, we're your automotive soulmates, with over 60 hand-picked beauties, SUVs that swallow luggage. Check. Sedans that scream sophistication, check. Trucks that conquer mountains, we got that too. And guess what? We're open 6 days a week, ready to roll out the red carpet and the wrenches. Our friendly crew knows cars like their best friends. So ditch the digital dead ends and come experience the CarTech Plus difference. Here's the secret sauce. 6-bay repair centre. We service what we sell, so your ride stays smooth like butter. Easy breezy financing. Fill out our online form and save time for more test drives. Convenience is king. Find us at 77 Plaistow Ard on Route 125 or call 603-974-7969 to reserve your dream car. Don't just scroll another minute, friend. Come to CarTech Plus and let's find your next adventure on wheels.